Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. How are you viewers? I hope you all will be fine. You are watching a video on the civil engineering problems and their solutions. I have made this channel for the students of civil engineering who don't mostly visit the sites. So I will try to find problems on sites and then make a solution for that. So in this video, I am showing a complete. So in this channel, I will show a complete building construction from start to end in parts. So you guys just watch the every parts of the video carefully, and if you have any questions regarding this site or any other issue, you can comment me directly in the comment box, and uh, I'm just trying to share this video just for learning purposes. So you must watch and also like my video and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. I hope you will like this video. Let's start. So in rural area, we are constructing the residential building, two-story building, which you can clearly see from the values that it has a different elevations at different points. So the bore point is actually a bore of well, where the elevation we took behind the road is 00, but after that you can see clearly 7.89, and from that opposite diagonal you can see the 35.70 feet. So the site has a very different elevations. So for this problem, what we will do, mostly people excavate the site area totally, but the excavation budget is very high if you excavate the 35.70 feet height, and then where you will the remaining soil where you will deposit this soil. So for this we have make an idea to construct two different retaining walls on that roadside and the different site near to the bore. I will show you on the videos that how we construct this retaining wall. After the construction of the retaining wall, we will just put that 35.70 feet height soil to the retaining wall. So for this, we will construct a plain area which will help us the retaining wall will help us to retain the soil, so it will become a plain view. So now you can see the real site area, which has different elevation and different points. You can clearly see that 35 feet height elevation. So for this problem, we have planned to make two retaining walls on the side. So to start the project, we have planned to construct the retaining wall. So this is the details of first retaining wall, which has a specified height and grade of steels. So it will help to retain the soil. Now in order to excavate the area for the retaining walls, we call excavator to the site area, and you can see the excavator now. I'm just sharing these always just to know that how a building is very difficultly constructed in rural areas. So the excavator has successfully reached to the site without any harm, mashallah, and we strictly follow the safety rules as the city, the village. Many people visited, but fortunately he reached safe to the site area. And like traditional, they start the work progress with the recitation of the Holy Quran, and successfully started the excavation for the retaining wall. So you will see now how safely he is constructing and excavating this area. And I will also share related videos to the retaining wall, because most people don't show, but I just want to show you that how a project starts from the beginning and end. So from start to end, I want to share this project progress and work with the civil engineering students. And you may also know that mostly a contractor and some laborers make a video of sites, and they don't even explain the what's going on and how what's actually happening there, but they don't show you, and even they don't tell you. So this is fortunately a very good video that I'm also explaining every situation with you. So if you want to learn and you want to work, so you can this video can help you a lot, inshallah. So you can clearly see the pipe, the black pipe. So it's near to which I discussed in the beginning about the bore. It's actually the bore. So we will construct two retaining walls near to the bore area. So one is they both are on the 90-degree with each other. So we only construct here two retaining walls. So after the excavation, now we started the PCC bed for the retaining wall, and we install columns with a distance of 14 feet. Mm, and you can see the columns are six number of bars with 9-inch center to center, the stirrups distance. And now they are applying the shatterings to the retaining wall. And the retaining wall or plumb C2, we will just construct this retaining wall with 60% concrete and 40% boulders, which we find here on the site during excavation. And with the help of jackhammer, we just cut to small pieces, and now we will easily put it in the retaining wall. So now after this we start the concrete pouring on the stone. So mostly people are confused with the retaining wall and the plumb. There's difference. If you have any question about this, if you are confused about this, so you can comment me. I will try to answer you. Now you will watch the videos of constructing the retaining walls, but here I want to explain one thing, that the owner after constructing the retaining walls, we plan to construct the retaining wall up to height of 17 feet near to the bore area. But he just gave us one call that I want to change the plan, because I don't have a guest house in the local area. People like the guest house. So then we decided to excavate 20 feet area for the construction of guest house, and we will shift the construction of a retaining wall to the guest house side. So we excavate a 20 feet area, and then we excavate the remaining plot, then we excavate the area of the retaining wall, and then the remaining area we just construct, near to the remaining area we construct a retaining wall. So only changes occur, and the plan was to just excavate a 20 feet area to reserve this place for the guest house. And the owner also said that I cannot now construct this guest house. After some time I will construct, but now you just construct these two retaining walls and make the area of site plain. So from other side you can see the guest house retaining wall are now constructing, and laborers are busy in constructing. And also can you see the main building site area. So this is the construction of retaining wall 2 near to the guest house. and the workers are busy. These are the local workers of this area in Pakistan, and here comes the angry man. He is just instructing on his behalf, like an engineer, that you people are doing wrong work. But the real engineer was silent at this time. He was just to see how they just solve the issue with each other. And mm, at the last, I will show you the video of uh, two retaining walls, how they looks from far behind. So actually, in the presence of a civil engineer on the site, the works continue in a very good, in a very safe environment. And now you can see the video of two retaining wall, how was the video before and now how you can see. So this area, this is the area that I talked to you. I talked to you about we reserve this area for the guest house. We will also construct this, but before, after the construction of these two retaining walls, now our plan, now our site is ready for the work of the main building. We will construct a main building, and the second part I will show you from the beginning. In You may face some problems in my communication and my also in my videos, but I hope that I will make each and everything better. And you just I request all the civil engineer students that kindly watch this video to the last part of the building, so it will help you a lot. If you like this video, kindly share with your friends. Also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notified in the next video. Thank you so much. See you inshallah in the next video. Allah Hafiz.